Let's understand NCERT explanation and solutions, measurement and comparison in this video. Here is a quick question to start. Have you ever measured with different hands and got different results? Raja's bed story. A king named Raja Jagdeep wanted a carved bed for his queen. He told the carpenter to make a bed 10 handspans long. But when the carpenter measured, the bed became only 8 handspans long. Later, another person measured it and got 14 handspans. Question number 1. What was the problem? Different people used different sized hands to measure the bed. That means the unit kept changing, so measurements did not match. So, everyone should use the same measuring tool, so the answer stays the same. Moving to measuring objects and tools. Measuring objects. We can measure things around us using books, pencils, blocks, or rulers. Before you measure, first guess the length. This is called an estimate. Then measure the actual length using the same tool to check your guess. Objects to measure. Desk, blackboard, window. You can use a book or a ruler to compare these lengths one by one. Now, longest and shortest paths. We can compare paths to find which path is the longest and which path is the shortest. A child named Kavita was getting late for school. She should choose the shortest path to reach school quickly. Shorter path usually means less time. Longer path means more time. So choose the short path when you are late. How many blocks tall are the animals? Q1. The giraffe is blocks tall. We count blocks start from the floor to the top of the giraffe picture step by step. The giraffe is 9 blocks tall. The camel is blank blocks tall. Looking at the picture and counting blocks shows the camel reaches 7 blocks. The camel is 7 blocks tall. Q3. The monkey is blank blocks tall. We count the monkey height in blocks, one by one, until we reach the top. The monkey is 2 blocks tall. Question 4. The llama is blank blocks tall. The llama shown is 5 blocks tall. Measure your hand activity. Trace your hand and count the number of lines. Tracing helps you use your own body as a measuring tool and compare sizes. Heavy and light vegetable. Which is heavier, muskmelon or carrot? We compare by feel or using balance. The muskmelon is heavier than the carrot. Q2. Is the capsicum lighter than cauliflower? Comparing capsicum and cauliflower shows cauliflower is heavier by size and weight. Capsicum is lighter than cauliflower. Q3. Blank is heavier than blank. Pumpkin is heavier than bottle gourd. Q4. Blank is lighter than blank. Green chili is lighter than many vegetables. Q5. Blank is the heaviest of all. Watermelon is the heaviest. Q6. Blank is the lightest of all. Green chili is the lightest. Making a balance and rules. We can make a simple balance using paper cups, thread and a hanger. Hang 2 cups from a hanger with equal length threads to compare weights. Important rule. The lower side is heavier, the upper side is lighter. When one cup goes down, that side has more weight than the other. Lightest and heaviest classroom objects. Compare eraser, pencil, ball and crayon to see which is heavy or light. Heavy things push the balance down. Light things stay up. Sand and leaves activity. 2 bags were taken. One filled with sand and one filled with dry leaves. Question. Which bag is heavier? Sand grains are dense and heavy. Dry leaves are light and take more space. The bag filled with sand is heavier. Fruits on the seesaw. Watermelon sat on one side of the seesaw. Mangoes sat on the other side. Question A. How many mangoes balance the watermelon? By counting mangoes until the seesaw is level, we find 3 mangoes balance the watermelon. Question B. How many coconuts can balance the watermelon? Given 1 coconut equals weight of 2 mangoes. If 3 mangoes balance watermelon, we divide 3 by 2 to find coconuts needed. So watermelon needs about 1.5 coconuts. Making nimbu pani for 3 glasses. For 1 glass, Raghu used 1 glass water, 1 spoon sugar, 2 spoons lemon juice, 1 pinch salt. Water needed? 1 glass times 3 gives 3 glasses of water. Sugar needed? 1 spoon times 3 gives 3 spoons of sugar. 3 spoons sugar. Lemon juice needed? 2 spoons times 3 gives 6 spoons of lemon juice. 6 spoons lemon juice. Salt needed? 1 pinch times 3 gives 3 pinches of salt. 3 pinches of salt. Measuring water and bottles. Raghu's bottle can hold 4 glasses of water. Use the number of glasses each bottle holds to compare which holds more or less. So what do we learn from this? Use the same tool to measure, count blocks to find height, and use balance to compare weight. Capacity means how much liquid a container can hold. Let us quickly remember. Length tells how long, weight tells how heavy, capacity tells how much liquid. Try the fun activities at home, measure your bed with books, and make a paper balance. Keep exploring more with curiosity. And gently check more lessons on EduRev for practice.